Libra, 16 to 31st of January. Yes? So, welcome po sa Scorp's World Tarot. Another reading. Shoutout po ako sa mga fellow OFW. Ingat po tayo, kwentuhan, at magkape-kape tayo. Yeah? Okay, 16 to 31 of January. Check natin ang energy. So, New Year, second half of January. Yeah, ang bilis ng panahon. Tingnan natin. So, dapat ready na tayo. Ready na tayo for the new beginning. Yep. Long-term goal. Yun ang ano. Gusto kong ituloy pa rin yung message ng new moon. I think it's a good time for everybody na, to start fresh and with positivity and new new plans natin for the year. Yeah, parang New Year's resolution. Ituloy natin yan. But this one is more on ano ang gusto nating ma-achieve. Yeah, we work on it. Okay, tuloy natin. 16 to 31 January, Libra. What Libra needs to know? One card lang. Bigyan natin ng good reading si Libra. Air sign. Looking for that balance, justice, equality, equilibrium, at independence. Yep. Okay. So, Queen of Pentacles. So, this is structure. This is maturity. This is financial help. And it's all about money. Yeah? Ano yung gusto mong ma-achieve? Yung mga bagong goals mo, crowning moments, dignity, respect, health, and more wealth. Yeah? Queen of Pentacles. So, tignan natin. Ang storyboard ni Libra. Yeah? I'll get the other deck. Okay. Ituloy natin. Queen of Pentacles is a good start. Tignan natin. Okay. Libra, 16 of January to 31st. What Libra needs to know? Okay. Manifesting. Kung ito yung minanifest mo prior year, abundance, career, financial growth, financial health, at saka ma-achieve mo pa yung pinnacle of your career. Yep. Go for it. Ituloy natin. Tignan natin yung progression for the whole 2026. So, ito yung start natin. 16 to January. 16 to 31 of January, what Libra needs to know. Okay, tuloy natin. Queen of Pentacles, start of Libra storyboard. Tignan natin. Libra, 16 to 31st of January. Give me one card. So very motherly. Are you connected to close to your parents? Okay. Now news. Oops. Pick upin ko siya. Nakabaliktad yata. Okay, tama. Okay. I'll pick it up as upright. Yeah, 8 of Wands. News coming. Yeah, news coming from somebody in authority. Ayan, nakatingin siya. Queen of Pentacles, Libra, news is coming. Fast, as fast as that fire horse, year of the fire horse on 2026. So, lahat mainit. One's passion. You're passionate on something and you like to do this. So, I will provide it to you. Yep. I will make it happen for you. I will help you to achieve that. Yeah? Okay. So, ano yung passion na yon? Niluto noong 2025 at makukuha mo towards beginning of the year and mabilis na darating. Yeah? Okay. Tingnan natin. What Libra needs to know. Oops. Gumagalaw. Okay, sorry. Ayusin ko lang. what Libra needs to know. Tingnan natin. Okay. Oops, hindi sayan. Libra, 16 to 31. Mabilis na balita darating. This is help. This is blessing. This is maturity. This is independence. This is wealth. Structure ng family mo. Structure ng career mo. Structure ng financial well-being. Yeah? Okay. 3 dimension. 16 to 31. Blind spot. Blind spot. Give me blind spot. Libra. Libra. What Libra needs to know. One card. One card. Bigyan mo ako ng isang card. Tignan natin. One card. News coming. Ano ina-expect ni Libra? Meron sa hinihintay. Mabilis na darating. At may blessing na. May approval na. Kung sino man yung magbibigay ng approval na yan. And this is also exciting. Yeah? Okay. Tignan natin. One card. One card for Libra. One card for Libra. Give me blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Okay. Page of 1. Okay? Nakatingin ka rito. Nakatingin ka sa kanan. Yeah? Ninunurture mo na to. Matagal mo na siyang niluluto. It will be a surprise. Unexpected. It can be related to something na matagal na. Tapos, you overlook it or in-stop mo at biglang babalik. Yeah? Ano bang maganda example nito? Okay, merong kontrata, meron kang niluto, proyekto, 3 to years ago, okay? Hindi ito nangyari lang ng few months ago. 3 years at the most, minimum 2 years. Na-stall siya. Tapos nagdado pa rin yung sinisilip-silip mo yung status noong pangyayari, yung iniwanan mo. Kumbaga sa mga dokumento, nakatago pa rin siya sa mo. Hindi na siya priority, natabunan na siya somehow, okay? Mabubuhay siya. That's how it is. Merong bumuhay, merong nag-approve, merong nagbigay ng green light, merong somebody in authority figure na, this is interesting. Mga ganun tipo. You don't expect anymore na ma-revive siya. Yeah? Okay. News is coming. Yung effort na binigay mo, maliit na lang kasi you don't expect anything na makukuha mo yon na magbubunga yung pinaghirapan mo. This is Ace of One. Kumbaga sana itinago mo na. Yung sapatos na binili mo, hindi mo naman sa isusuot, pero you keep it outside. Nasa ibabaw pa rin siya ng ibang mga gamit na anytime na you need that bagong shoes, makukuha mo siya. Ngayon, it's time for you to bring out that dancing shoes. Yes? Ready ka na ulit mag-cha-cha-cha. Okay? So that's the message. Mabilis na darating. Unexpected. Yeah? Okay. Ano ito? Ano ito, Libra? Okay? Sorry. 16 to 31 of January. Darating na siya. Okay? It's going to your direction. Yeah? Queen of Pentacles, nakatingin siya dito. Yung balita, Zoom, Fire Horse, mabilis, decision, mainit, passionate. Hindi mo na siya na-expect. Nagbunga at babagsak. Yeah? Okay. Tignan natin. Blind spot, blind spot, blind spot. Libra 16 to 31. Ano ito? What are you expecting here, Libra? Blind spot. Okay. Isa pang angulo nito is merong nakapansin, parang may nakapansin. Dati hindi sa pinapansin yung ginawa mong project. Halimbawa, meron kang painting. Inilagay mo lang siya sa dingding. Hindi mo siya i-display. And then, merong nakakapansin. And then, all of a sudden, merong nagka-interest na, ay, si Libra pala marunong mag-painting. Bakit hindi tayo mag-exhibit? Kesa yung mga painting niya na yung series of paintings na inaalikabok. Ganon tipo yan. You don't expect it. Nilagay mo lang sa isang sulok, sa bodega, something. Pero nakikita pa rin siya ng ibang tao na na-access siya. And somebody, it's either close to you or somebody in authority figure na nakita yung sinasaputan ng gagamba. Yeah? Because I saw this one na parang cobwebs. Yes? Okay. So, yung event na yon, yung mga paintings, yung project na yon, matagal na siyang naka-shelve. So, mga niya, it even took years na kinalimutan mo na siya. Yeah? And magbubunga. Oh, okay. Tignan natin. Yeah, okay. So, ready ka ba? Okay. Ready ka ba dun sa balita? Mabilis na darating. Okay? Totally unexpected. Hindi mo siya na-expect talaga. Zero, the full reset. Hindi mo alam na yung effort na binigay mo, parang nilaro mo lang yun. I don't think you're even serious on that one. Maaring yung nagmula sa simpleng joke-joke. Okay? Simpleng joke-joke, you don't even take it seriously. Gumawa ka, halimbawa, yun na lang painting. Gumawa ka, bored, isang hapon, painting, inspired ka, and then, natapos mo. So, meron ka ring intention to be something, okay? When you do that. Pero, hindi mo ina-expect na yung outcome after so many years na kinalimutan mo na yon, you do another things na, to survive. Kung ano man yung iba pang pinagkakabalahan mo, nagkaroon ng bunga. Okay? Now, are you ready to venture out kapag dumating yung balita na Libra, ilalagay natin yan sa exhibit sa National Museum? Yes? Take that plunge if you want to. News is coming, another air sign. It's not something na dapat mong pagpahangin. And I think you need to be thankful and grateful. Okay, use more common sense. Use more common sense, and the news is coming. Okay, airspace, quick decision. You need to make a decision kung mag-yes ka ba o mag-no. Ilalabas mo ba yung sapatos sa bodega para maisuot mo at start na mag-cha-cha-cha. Okay, that's how it is. Ituloy natin. Okay, kuha ko dito. Ituloy natin. Ano yung balita na yan? Okay. So, curious lang ako. Shoutout ako sa fellow FW kung maka-resonate. Yeah. Lang po, enjoy lang tayo. Ingat. Yeah, shoutout po kung maka-resonate. Okay. Tingnan natin. 16 to 31. Okay, this is interesting. I like this type of reading na siya, na merong prominence at saka yung importance na you didn't expect. You don't even expect na it turns to be something larger than life. Yeah, this is huge with that full card na to come out. Check natin. Let's get one more card. Blind spot. Okay, yeah. Are you dealing with Pisces? Yes. Pisces, Pisces. The moon card, uh, it's also your dream. It's also your dream. Somehow, inano mo siya, nasa, ano mo siya, nasa back of your head. Or in your wildest dream, you never thought na magta-transform yung ginawa mo way back into something bigger. Okay? Another message na napipick up ko kung meron po akong new moon and full moon reading. Advance tayo ngayong ano nito, reading na ito po. So, January 3 at saka 19 of January. Yeah? Okay. So, Libra, i-ano mo yon, i-check mo yon. May message, baka merong message na meron kang ma-pick up, okay? Moon, walang clarity. Yes, it's ano pa rin, hazy, parang illusion, or something na parang lasing ka. If you go out and you're driving, hindi mo makita yung kalsada and all the signages, okay? Walang clarity. So, um, you might see something siguro on your dream. Isang napipick up ko pa. Okay? And kung meron kang Pisces sa chart mo or another Pisces na in ano anchor, your anchor, okay? So baka siya ang makapagbigay ng knowing Libra, weighing scale, balance, hindi makapag-decide, okay? So Pisces, water sign, medyo sensitive, maaring makapagbigay sa iyo siya ng um, it's not advice, ano ba tawag doon? Emotional guide, okay? Ang tipong what makes you happy, Libra. Okay, yung mga ganon. Hindi, not necessarily na magbibigay siya ng, yes, okay, tanggapin mo yan, magkakapera ka, or whatsoever. So, you're looking for like an spiritual, emotional anchor here. Okay, na-pick up ko rin. Yeah? Pisces. So, very helpful. You might get something from a Pisces or dun sa moon, full moon and new moon reading ko. Check that out also, Libra. This is a huge decision. This is a huge news, and it's coming fast. Ngayon, naninimbang ka. That's how it is. Because of this wolf na black or white, okay? Nagweweyway ka kung anong direction at kung sino ang pipiliin mo, yung puti o yung itim, because the moon is all about no clarity. Yes, okay, yan ang subliminal meaning of the moon card in tarot. So illusion, malabo, walang clarity, puro emotion. So Libra, weighing scale, you're looking for that balance, headspace, logical, but you're still looking for that emotional or spiritual mentor na maaring magbigay sa iyo ng connection, whether this news is something that you want to accept or you want to reject. Yeah? Okay. Ituloy natin. This is interesting. Kuha pa tayo ng isa. Oops, sorry. Kuha pa tayo ng isa. Okay, 16 to 31. This is nice. Ano ito, Libra? Okay. Magpapakape ka. This is huge. This is a good start. If you plant that intention na ma-realize mo yung dream, actually hindi mo ito na-expect, but definitely nasa pa rin siya, nasa surface ng it's one of your plan or what you are dreaming, okay? Pinaghirapan mo to, I can sense. Yeah, okay. Another news, Page of Cup. Okay, this is the love of your life. Ever since nung bata ka, okay, you did something and the universe is giving you back, giving it to you, not giving you back, giving that fulfillment and achieving kung ano yung gusto mo. Ito yung mga childhood dream na itinatawag ika nga. Okay? So this is about reset, new beginning, exploring yung new adventure, new journey, and it can be transformative. Okay? Yan ang ano lang, yan ang nakikita ko rito. Yeah. Okay. Kuha tayo ng isa pang, I just want to see the outcome. Okay. Outcome, Libra. Okay. Let's see. Libra, Libra. Libra, Libra. 16 to 31. One blind spot. Let's see the outcome. Libra, Libra. One more. Let's see. Give me blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot, Libra. One card. One card lang. One card. One card. Yeah. Okay. You deserve this. Recognition. Yes. Somebody in authority, i-acknowledge yung accomplishment mo. What's a good example? Okay. Mga teacher, mga OFW yung teacher. Yes. Okay. May contribution yan. You know, kapag yung education is a good, ano yan good, may mga research na lang. Okay, simplihan ko na lang. Ano ba yung magandang, okay, mga teacher na who works in nursery. Sabihin ko na lang, mga nursery, okay? Or special kids, yeah? Okay. So, yung responsibility mo na yon bilang guro sa isang eskwelahan na teaching, overseeing yung mga special need. Yeah? Okay. So, ma-acknowledge yan. Yeah, recognition. So, nakita ko dito yung parang university, yung ano ba yung chancellor, yeah? Na magbibigay siya ng recognition. So, ito ka. Okay, pag-usapin natin yung card. Okay, so, Libra, yung research mo, yung thesis na ginawa mo noong nag-doctorate ka or nag-master or, you know, nag-research ka na itinago natin sa library na walang pumapansin kasi makaluma or hindi nila naiintindihan. Yes, okay. It adds value at ngayon nagagamit na ng iba pang eskwelahan because yung ginawa mo na research 1 plus 1 equals 3. You know, yung ano lang, is an example ko lang po na hindi ka namin pinaniniwalaan something na 1 plus 1 equals 3. Yeah? And it's true na totoo pala yun. Yeah? Okay? Yun yung, kumbaga ito yung Ace of One, ito yung kahoy, na yung formula mo na 1 plus 1 equals 3 is true kasi nagkakaroon ng ugat yung punong kahoy. Yeah? And you will be recognized for that. Painting, anything related sa sa eskwelahan, sa research mo, sa painting or art or the academe or anything like that. Yes, na itinulog mo na at you didn't even expect na magagamit. Yes, okay. It will open na new opportunity. Ngayon, tatanggapin mo ba? The news will come fast. Meron kang dito, meron kang doubt dito because of this Pisces na new moon. But yung ginawa mo na yon, you did actually, you that's also the dream hindi ko masabing career eh. You're passionate, okay? You are passionate na i-develop yon kung ano man yon. Yeah? And you have the blessing and you have the recognition and you have that expansion as well. So dun ka magkakaroon ng new opportunities and your growth na ina-expect mo will be very expansive. Yeah? Okay. May kasama pang pera. Yeah? It's financial status, career status, dream job, news is coming very fast. So, magpapakape ka. Yeah? Okay. Let's see. Okay, kuha pa ako. I'm not gonna add anything here. I think that's it's conclusive. This is about decision na you planted something and you're gonna reap that reward. Okay? This is harvest season mo. Watch sa full moon, baka bumagsak ito sa new moon. Okay? New moon or full moon. Okay? Advanced reading tayo ngayon po. Look for that sign kung meron ka ma-pick up Libra. Okay? You have the Emperor here. Are you dealing with Aries? Okay? Two prominent sign na nakikita ko rito is one is a water sign which is Pisces and one is fire sign Aries. Okay? The Emperor, the highest position among among the ranks of king. Yeah? So, mas siya, mas superior, mas matalino, mas may authority at respected. Yes? Okay. Or you can become that emperor yourself because yung sa accomplishment mo, you will put to that status. Yeah? Status to. This is a status. Yeah? Okay, Sagittarius, fire sign. Okay. Sabi dito, Libra, be prepared to be adaptable as plan you have laid may take an unexpected course. Okay, yeah, okay. Ano ito? Okay? Yung ginawa mong research, ang plano mo lang is paano mo mulaklak yung puno. Yeah? Maaring, kumbaga parang propagation, something. Yes? Ngayon pala, yung ginagawa mong research, 1 plus 1 equals 3, cure pala sa more advanced. Gamot pala yun sa isang sakit. You know that effect? So, yung unexpected course na yon, it's not something na on a negative side, but it is expansive. Yeah? Yan ang sabi ng kaibigan mo, Sagittarius. And the Emperor will give you that recognition and that reward and that accolade or ano pa ba? Yung mountain is all about dream. Yes? Okay. Acknowledging, ano pa bang, what's the other word? Honor. Okay, I pick it up. You're gonna get that honor. Yeah, Aries. Aries is prominent here. Yeah? Okay. So, ano pa hinihintay mo? Magpapakapitong si Librang na nasa harapan ko. Yes? Okay. So, as long as you planted that, hindi po babagsak ito. So, these are, it's not for everybody. Itong Libra na 3 years ago or even longer, you did something great and something that you love because of this. You believe that it's something na hindi pa pwedeng makapagbigay ng sagot when you are doing that. Pero eventually, now is the time to harvest that with the blessing of the Queen of Pentacle, and you need to take ownership. Kung tatalon ka ba and ready ka ba for that expansion. Yeah? Okay. So, yes. So, 16 to 31 January. So, salamat Libra. Sana ay nag-enjoy po kayo. See you again.